everybody, and this is another unboxing video, but it won't be Legendary Zulu. I decided that I already have a Zulu, and Legendary just, Zulu's my favorite, and of course he's Legendary and looks 10 times cooler, you know, black and gold. I just thought that was cool. But he's going to stay in the box. Just because. But this is an unboxing video, like I told you. So, I'm going to unbox Lava Barf Eruptor. See, I was going to get him on the first night at Walmart with my buddy, Paul. But he told me to wait and just get all the new Skylanders that came out, and I agreed with him. But let's get to unboxing then. Can't wait to get him out. One-handed is not a fun way to unbox these things. It's kind of the pain in the rear. Going to have to put you down for 1 second. And there we have it, Lava Barf Eruptor. As most Eruptors, they did a really good job in the detail on this one. I found it really funny when they, when I first heard about this one, just because Barf is in the name. Some parents probably wouldn't like that. But, yeah, I haven't got to play him yet. Hope maybe he has some new moves from the last one. I'm guessing he does. But, yeah, that would be the end of this unboxing video. My next unboxing video will be the Tower of Time Pop Thorn Battle Hammer Sky Diamond Adventure Pack. So, hope you look forward to the next video with Pop Thorn in it. Alright, thank you very much. Please subscribe, everybody. Have a good night.